Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to include an embedded image into your help desk reply. And this is going to happen manually, right? The manually way of embed an image. Okay, so let's go through the full scenario. So we are now into a client mailbox and send a message to our help desk. So our help desk has an email demo.redmineup.com. So we request, for example, a picture of the mask. Okay, so hi support, could you please send us a picture uh, of the Mask movie from 1994? Thanks in advance. Okay, so we send this message and go to our help desk, and of course, firstly we sign in. So we're going to use our demo server for these testing purposes. It is demo.redmineup.com. So please feel free to do any tests if you wish. The admin profile is admin and password admin. So it is pretty straightforward. Um, okay, so I have just logged in. However, we have to change our language because um, me personally, I cannot understand these Chinese letters. So some client previously tested with Chinese, and I'm not so good with the Chinese language. So if it happened this to you, you have to go here onto this settings menu, and the language is located here. So it is set English, but you have to force to be applied everywhere. So you have to apply on these two settings here and click on apply, and it is going to be applied over all menus and everywhere in the demo. So everything is now in English, all right? So I'll return back to our project and now select the help desk and then the settings, and then here we have help desk tab and get mail button. So this is, by the way, manually getting mails on our demo server. However, there are ways of automatically receive the help desk emails. There is an article on our website. So please feel free to check it if you're interested, all right? Okay, so no mails collected. Maybe someone already, yeah, maybe someone already collected the emails before me. So this is the picture of the mask, the mail that we have sent to the support. Okay, so now I'm into Redmine and help desk, and I'm the support engineer. So I open this ticket and see the request of the client. So the client asks, could you please send us a picture of the Mask movie from the 1994? And of course, client, I'm going to do it for you. So we write the mask and search for some image. For example, we're going to get this uh, picture with the rose of Jim Carrey, and yeah, he's going to give this rose to Cameron Diaz. I forgot the name in the movie. Okay, so we save this image and name it the mask 994 rose. Okay, uh, so yeah, actually there are two ways of sending an embedded image via the reply. So the first one I'm going to show you is actually the online method. So the online method is just get the URL of this image. So uh, it has to be publicly available. So the link itself and the picture, the path to the picture should be publicly available. So yeah, this is very important because otherwise your client should not be able to see the picture, right? Okay, so we have the picture here, and we just right click on this picture, and then there is um, copy link address. Okay, so copy link address. So we copied the link address to this picture, and if we try and test in new tab, hmm, strangely, but it is taken from here. It is not going to work in our case because we need a path that is ending with some picture format, for example, JPG. Okay, so let's get some other image, for example, this one. Okay, so this is from IMDb, movie database. So we copy the image address. Let's try and see. Okay, so this is the one that we need. Here is a path and it is ending with .jpg. This is the format of a picture. It could be other format, for example, uh, .bmp or .jpeg or something else, but it has to be picture format. Okay, so I click enter and it is successfully opened. So this picture is located onto this address. All right, so we directly get this address from the internet and now see the magic. So we click reply as a support engineer and say, hi, dear friend. All right, sure, please check the picture of the mask below. Okay, and this is the magic now. So here is image. You hover your mouse here on this button, and this is the image embedding feature. Yeah, so you just click here, and two exclamation marks are automatically embedded. I mean, inserted into your message, and you have to just paste the link to the picture between these two exclamation marks. All right. So it is going to be either via Control plus V or via right menu and paste. So it is up to you. It is, yeah, paste Control plus V or yeah, just click on the paste menu here. Okay, so this is it. This is it. So we write to the client now. Just tell me if I can help you with anything else. So if you'd like to preview and see if everything is fine, you just click preview and see that it is correctly embedded. So this is pretty big picture, by the way. Yeah. Okay, so we send this message to the client with the embedded picture of the mask. All right. Checklist custom field. All right. There is some required field here. So we say mask 994. Whoa, this is a very great year. Okay, so we preview again to see if all is fine. Yeah, everything is fine. So we submit our answer to the client. So successful update. An email was sent to the client. So if you scroll down, you see the email thread of the help desk ticket, and yeah, you see this picture that is successfully embedded here into Redmine. All right, so we go to the client email just to see what will happen. So this is the answer of the support engineer, and we see it is successfully embedded here on the email of the client as well. So it is here, hi dear friend, all right, please check the picture below. Okay, so this is the picture of the mask taken from the internet and successfully added to the help desk ticket thread. Okay, so the second way of doing this is if you'd like to keep this file onto your Redmine, you could upload it locally and use the public link of the help desk ticket. So I'm going to show you. By the way, this method is more secure and recommended because if it is online stored, for example, this picture, it could break down in the future. I mean, this site could break down or just finish its life. So this link will not be available, and yeah, for example, after 6 months, this link could not work. However, if you keep the file onto your Redmine, it is up to you. So if you wish, you could keep it forever or for 100 years, and the link will be available, right? So that's why the second method is recommended. So the method that I'm going to show you now. Okay, so this client now sees this picture and says, thanks guys, but may I ask you to send one more picture, please? Okay. Uh, all right, so this client is requesting more pictures. Uh, okay, so we now go to the settings once again to collect the new message and click Get Mail. Okay, so we got our mail, so this is one new mail processed. So if we return back to the tickets, we see that we have again message from this client. So it is below our reply as a support engineer. So this is it. Okay, guys, could you please send one more picture? All right, sure. So let's see. Actually, we have already found the picture with the rose, all right? So we saved this picture with the rose on our hard drive. So this is it, into downloads folder. So the mask 994 JPEG image locally saved on my computer. So I upload this file to the ticket itself. Okay, so it is done via the edit button here, and I remove this check here, so the message will not be sent to the client, but it is just an inner team command. And yeah, only the support engineers and Redmine users that are selected for this project are going to see this picture. So the client will not receive this uploading now. He will receive afterward when I send him the reply. So I pick this option here, choose file, and then upload the picture. Okay, click submit and see the picture here. So it is uploaded to the ticket itself. Now we have here a public ticket view option. So the public ticket view is means that this is a link of the ticket where everybody in the world could see the ticket just with the link. All right. So this is publicly available link. So it is open to the web. So as it is publicly available, then I just pick the path to the image here from the files on the right. So again, to say this is stored onto your Redmine and your servers, and it is up to you when, if it is going to be available in the future. So it is more secure and recommended to do it into this way. Okay, so we right click onto this picture and then click on copy link address. If you would like to check if everything is fine, just go to a new tab and just paste, and we see this is the link, demo.redmine.com, attachments, so it is ending with .jpg. So this is the file itself stored onto our Redmine. So I click enter, and the picture is just not opened in the browser, but downloaded into the downloads folder. So this is it. Yeah, this is the picture, and it has one here because it is the same as the one already existing into the downloads folder. All right. Yeah, it is successfully downloaded. So this means that the link is working correctly. All right. So we return back to our ticket. As we said, we here copied the path, and now go to the reply of the client. So he says, could you send one more picture? And I quote this reply. and say uh, hi again. Yes, of course. Please see the um, his name was Stanley Ipkiss. I don't know actually if this is written correctly. Um, just see Stanley Ipkiss. So this is spelled into this way. Okay. Um, Stanley Ipkiss getting the rose. Okay, so the procedure is the same here. We click on the image button and it inserts the exclamation marks automatically. So with Control plus V, I paste, oops, sorry, I just copy pasted the name of Stanley Epkiss. So I have to again go here and again copy the link address of this image and return back and click Control plus V, and this is the link demo.redmineup.com, attachments and so on .jpg. So this is the file here located onto your Redmine. So say bye bye. Okay, so we preview now and see that the mask with the rose, Stanley Ipkiss, is correctly appearing as an embedded image into your reply of helpdesk. So we submit to the client and see that everything is fine. The message is sent. We go again here onto the client's email just to check and see if it is good. So it is good. Hi again. Yes, of course. Please see Stanley Ipkiss getting the rose. So this is the picture of Stanley Ipkiss getting the rose, again embedded and successfully appearing onto the client's side. So everything is good for now. Okay, so this was the video showing you the manually sending an embedded image via the helpdesk reply. And by the way, just to say for you that also there is an automatic way of embedding the image into the reply. So it is up to you which to choose, either the manual way that I have showed you now, or automatically that is showed in another video of the article. So I'm just going to show you where it is if you're interested. So you have to go to helpdesk and support of our site, that is redmineup.com. So help and support, and afterward helpdesk documentation, and afterward embedded image into a ticket to reply. So this is the manual way that I have showed you now. And also there is automatically. So please scroll down to the article at the bottom, and here is the automatic way. So it is saying the automatic way is located here into another article. So you click here and you are redirected. And this feature is actually called clipboard image paste. So clipboard image paste is the automatic way of embedding a picture into your helpdesk reply. So there is also a video demonstration as the one that I'm recording now. So you could check the video here if it is better for you watching videos. Uh, so yeah, here it is showed the same. I mean, into the same way how the automatic embedding picture is working. Okay, so thank you very much again for watching this video. Thank you very much for the patience that you have. And I wish this video was helpful for you. If you like it, you could check other videos and articles from RedmineUp. You could subscribe to our channel on YouTube. You could check articles on our site and so on. If you have some questions, of course, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@redmineup.com, and our support engineers will do their best to help you with your questions. And yeah, that's it. Thanks again for watching this, and bye bye for now.